We're on to Category 6. This is excellence in the maintenance and management of assets, including routine maintenance projects. This category is for companies who have shown excellence in the maintenance of assets such as waterways, roading networks, energy networks, forestry infrastructure or water systems across New Zealand. The winner is down in New Zealand, New Plymouth District Council contract.
Down in New Zealand. For New Plymouth District Council contract. In 2019, Downer signed a 10-year contract with the New Plymouth District Council, first of its kind in New Zealand. This contract covers urban and rural roads in the district and includes road maintenance and resealing, road line marking, road sweeping and street cleaning. Also included is CBD cleaning, bus shelter cleaning, emptying bins, as well as water and wastewater reticulation renewals and small to medium bridge maintenance.
Firstly, I'd just like to acknowledge Rob's effort there. That's pretty humbling. So it's an amazing experience to be able to stand here, feel really privileged to be able to represent our company, represent our team that sits back in New Plymouth. Unfortunately, some of them couldn't make it today. And I guess those of you who have been in that collaborative contracting environment know that there are different challenges to traditional contracting. Those challenges take a lot of leadership and strong support from governance. So I just wanted to sort of acknowledge the leadership and governance we have across our Downer business and across our New Plymouth District Council. It's been great to see our team develop over a couple of years, and it's pretty cool to be part of something that's a bit different, a focus on workforce development and building people through the contract, as well as delivering stuff. So in our interview, in our case, we specifically talked about how we deliver work, not actually the work that we do. So I guess that was our point of difference. So just want to appreciate the judges there. So on behalf of Downer and our team, thank you very much.